Imagine two planes at 36,000 feet. They are moving fast. Combined, their speed is over 1,500 kilometers per hour. They are on the exact same path. A sharp electronic alarm suddenly shatters the silence. You have 90 seconds. That is the razor-thin window. In aviation, 90 seconds is an eternity and a heartbeat at the same time. Everything depends on one single, difficult choice. By the end of this video, you will know why disobeying a computer once cost 71 lives. It is a lesson. Today, we look at TCAS. It is the invisible guardian watching over every flight. Think of it like a robot co-pilot. Before this system, pilots were essentially flying blind to each other. It was like driving a fast car with no mirrors. You had to trust that everyone stayed in their lane. Subscribe to Amazing Nearby for more deep stories. History is written in tragedies. In 1956, two planes collided over the Grand Canyon. 128 people died. This disaster pushed experts to build something better. It took 30 years of work. Now, we have the TCAS system. It works like sonar in a dark hallway. Your plane pings others nearby. It does not even need the ground. If another aircraft is heading your way, the system does not just warn you, it tells you exactly how to dodge. They coordinate so they move apart perfectly. It is like a synchronized dance at 800 kilometers per hour. But wait, here is where it gets terrifying. What happens when a human pilot decides to override the machine's command? On July 1, 2002, over Lake Constance in Germany, the system worked perfectly. No, humans did not. A Russian plane and a DHL jet were on a collision course. The air traffic controller was alone and distracted. He noticed the conflict only 60 seconds before impact. He told the Russian crew to descend immediately. However, their computer was screaming at them to climb. Now, the pilots had two conflicting orders. Who would you trust? The Russian crew followed the human voice. They descended right into the path of the other plane, which was also descending. Just 1 year earlier, a similar event happened over Suruga Bay in Japan. It was almost identical. A pilot followed the controller. Two giant jets missed each other by only 10 meters. It was a miracle that 677 people survived. The world received a loud warning that day. Sadly, the rules did not change fast enough to save the children. Safety is not just about engineering, it is about letting go. Subscribe to Amazing Nearby for more. Thanks for watching. Stay curious and fly safe. See you next time.